morning, good morning, good morning, good morning, good morning. So, and I was there doing my paperwork to pick up my GPS and stuff like that. Cause you know we don't leave GPS in the truck like that or whatever. For some reason, I don't know. But now, I'm going all the way to Waxhaw. I got like one Waxhaw, come back, grab another Monroe, because I have 2 Monroe today, and a Mooresville. I got like 4 runs today, so you know, today is going to be a jam-packed day for me. With different scenarios, okay? But we got this. We're not gonna complain, no rush. Take our time, because safety is first. So I'm approaching towards my my truck. Couple drivers just taking their time coming in. Some still, you know, working on their truck, strapping down their load. But for me, I normally come straight to my truck once I clock in. Then I would just grab my paperwork, throw a couple straps over, make sure it be properly strapped down, and then head out. So that's about it. See one driver here, he's already strapped. Yeah, a couple other drivers are not here. But moving towards my truck. Yeah, moving towards my truck. And here goes Betsy. See how she's shining pretty? Yeah. We have like 45,000 pounds on this. You know, lumber. So we're going down the road. Empty out this. Call it a day. Properly strapped. Because safety is first. That's what we talk about. Safety. Safety. Yeah. Coming on the both side. On this side here now. So we are about to. Here we go. Here we go. Yeah. You know, there's something that I really want to say. You see, a lot of us, there are some people that don't like to see you achieve nothing out at all. They don't want to see you achieve nothing. And the moment they see that you start to achieve your dream, they get jealous and start to fight you. You know, they in little ways they know how to get to you. But listen, I'm telling you this, don't let nobody get under your skin. All right, keep on doing what you got to do to get there, because you'll get there one day. All right, don't let them stop you from achieving your dream, because guess what, you are only here for a moment. So achieve your dream, live life, because life is short. Enjoy to the fullest. Okay, go after your dream, chase your dream. Let nobody stop you and get in your track. Put God first in every single thing that you're doing. Okay, all right, I'm about to do my paperwork and stuff like that. Well, finish unload. About to go help Greg. See what Greg doing. See if we can help Greg unload. Oh well, Greg finish. Yeah, Greg finish. Greg don't need my help. Greg don't need my help. Don't need my help at all. Nope, you don't need my help. Nope. Don't mess around Greg right now. Yeah. Here we go. We're gonna mess around Greg. Greg in the morning, huh? Yeah. Oh yeah, we're gonna mess around Greg now. Hey Greg! The turtle is here, man. The turtle blocked me, man. I gotta come this way. I said the turtle. I said the turtle. Yeah. So I gotta come this way. I ain't gonna fool around him now. You know? So you block me now.
You can get around me.
No, but take your picture, man. Come on, man. Take your picture, man. Okay? See you on YouTube.
I saw my ass on YouTube.
You see?
I didn't know I was that sexy live.
See, you're on it now. Might you fall, okay? Because if you fall.
Hey, Dane.
Yeah.
Say cheese.
Cheese.
I don't want to get in trouble for that picture.
Which picture?
That one. You ain't got a hard hat on.
I'm not on a Muffet.
You're on the job site.
Nope. There's nothing over there. Oh, what? Huh? Who said that? Huh? Okay.
Oh, the safety Nazi.
It's safety. It's safety. This house seems like it's gonna be a big house, don't it?
Yeah.
It's like probably 4 bedroom, 5 bedroom. Where that guy going? Well, he can't pass. So
This food shop pass.
well, we back. From that long run, which was like 40 minutes or 45 minutes, something like that. All this traffic. Trying to fix this traffic here. Yeah. We have much to give God thanks. As I say, satisfied with the little that you got. Satisfied with the little that you got. Don't let nothing get in your way. Try to, you know, satisfied with that you got. That's the most important thing. See how fast these guys can load me. So I got like two other stops, so try and see how fast they can. Yeah. Right, here we go.
Check your muffler. Make sure your pin is there on the driver's side. Make sure your seatbelt's secured.
Why? Tell me why. Why is that?
I'm not Miss Cleo.
So, you mess around my Muffet?
No, not me.
Who? Who messed around my Muffet?
It was Tony.
What did it?
Took your pin.
Why? Why Tony took my pin?
He said you took his pin.
Oh.
Remember that little voicemail?
I did not took his pin.
I didn't take his pin.
So why would he want to take my pin? Huh? I did not touch your pin, bro. So hey, see this dude here? See what he did? Look. Tie my seatbelt up.
I was making sure it was secured. And make sure your pin didn't fall out while you're going down the road.
He said that he's gonna make sure that, huh?
You got a pocket knife?
No, I don't. And look, see what you see? This is what Greg did. Greg, you do it. You do it. It's all good. It's all good. It's all good, Greg. You know it's raining though.
That's why I was hoping they freaking had me loaded by now.
Because it's gonna rain crazy like today. Today is like, look at that. Look.
I didn't even get fuel down there because I knew I'd rather get fuel with a rain jacket than sit out here and strap forever with a rain jacket. So that's why I came over here first.
I'll tell you. It's a rainy day. I tell you. Why? Two more run for the day. And the time is just now 10:43. Drop this another one to walk up Monroe again because I'm just leaving Monroe, my second big loads. So hopefully we can knock this out. Here comes Greg speeding. Passing me. Okay, Greggy. There goes Greg. Passing me by. Okay, Greg. There you go. Wave to you, Greg. Yeah, me and Greg just leave the same place. But Greg truck kind of a little bit faster than mine. But, you know, we're taking our time. It's raining. It's not safe for you to speed. So you gotta cut your speed because, listen, you don't want to cause no accident. No accident at all. So, we're just here taking it easy. Yeah. So I'll see you guys in a few. I tell you, this rain here is going on crazy. Yeah. Terrible piece of rain. Today. Yeah. Back. Back. I just want to give thanks. I got two more trips to go. Hopefully I can knock them out. Yeah, hopefully I can knock them out. Yeah. What a day! Huh? Greg? It's a rainy day, Greg. Say hi to the camera. Say hi to the camera.
Hola, ¿qué pasa? ¿Qué pasa?
Ah! Man, I'll tell you. Rain. And a crazy day. Yeah. And we still don't load us yet? Damn! Nobody here? I don't understand that. Huh?
I gotta put on my bottom. Oh, he's looking. Hey! Oh, hell no! I was here first.
Hey! Shush! Keep him all quiet, boy. I got, listen.
Oh, hell no!
Hey, keep him all quiet over there, okay?
Hell no!
Keep him all quiet over there, okay?
Hey.
Keep quiet, shoot!
I was going to tell him to load you first anyway, so it's got 4 runs and I'm done.
Exactly, yeah, thank you. Thank you. What's up? It's raining, man. It's raining like crazy. Okay. I'm about to mess with Oscar. What's up, man? What's up? You doing what? What you doing?
I'm ninja right now.
You're ninja?
Yeah, I'm wounded right now. I'm injured. So, I'm out of my 100%.
You injure? What injure you?
Sciatic nerve.
Huh?
Sciatic nerve.
Okay, nerves. Oh.
All through my back leg, so I can't do my job as a
Oh, really?
110%.
Oh, my bad. Yeah. See, it's raining like crazy, man.
I know, I see that.
Look at my load. Boy? Yes, I have much to give thanks. Much to give thanks. Trust me.
little motivation and inspiration so you can be a better you. A little motivation and inspiration so you can make it through. Great day. It's 7-6, the great day. Ooh.
Yeah, I have much to give thanks. You know, today was like a really muddy and crazy, and trust me. But I had 4 loads today, 4 big loads, and man, I knocked them out like nothing. That's why we're not gonna complain. We are on a mission, all right? And you guys soon see what I am about to accomplish. I am about to accomplish something that is very important to me. And I'm just sharing my journey, all right? Because let me tell you, many people see people out there with whatever they achieve and you don't know how they achieve it. The time you take and you say you wish it was that person, you wish it was you, listen, try to work hard to achieve anything that you want. Don't wait, or don't say you want to it like that person, you want that. No, because you don't know the sacrifice the person made to be where they're at in life. So that's why I'm saying, satisfy with the little much you have. A lot of people, man, I'm telling you, there are some people, they see you with whatever you achieve in life, and it's like they envy you. There's no time for you to envy nobody, right? We all, listen, Lord, give us 2 hands, give us a brain, give us 2 feet to work hard. Every one of us get 24 hours. It's how you use your 24 hours. That is the most important thing, I'm telling you. It's how you use your 24 hours. I'm saying to you, use them wisely. Work hard. And another thing again, let me twist it around. Work smart, not hard. Work smart. Because too much of us, we working hard and not smart. All right? So this is just my thing where I just want to encourage somebody. I just want to inspire somebody. I want to motivate somebody. All right? That's just me. Motivate. All right? I'm just asking you guys to like, share, subscribe. Please hit that notification bell so when I post a video, you're the first to get it. All right? Tell a friend to tell a friend. Share. Please, I'm asking you. Yeah, because I need... You see, let me tell you. You know, positive things never get highlighted. It's just some little gimmicks thing that, yes, we know laughter is good, but things that to motivate us, we don't tend to share it. But I'm asking you to share. Okay? Share. Because the great day in chucking is here to stay. And I have much more content coming. Alright? Much more fun, you know, fun and loving videos are coming. So bear with me. Alright?